Hi, that was a short I did for the intro and outro for Human Fly by the Cramps. So I'd like to show you what I did there, and then show you the other parts that are missing from there because I couldn't fit them in. I'm tuned to E, E, B, E. Way easier to do the song in E because it has a low E note, which I would assume is probably where his guitar is tuned. I start all the way up on 10 on the middle string, and I pick each note 4 times, and I go down chromatically, which means 1 note at a time, all the way down to 0, and then 6, and then 5. I'll do that for you. I'll do it with the echo first. With the echo on, you can see I'm... Now, it's hard to tell on the record. It sounds like a couple of things he's picking may be actual echoes. Who knows? But it's just easier to pick 4. So you just start off down, up, down, up. And you might not even want to try to play the whole lick until you can go... And once you stay there for, I think, probably 4 bars, I think. Yeah, I think it's that long. Total of 4 bars. I was counting 1, 2, 3, 4 there. I don't know if it came through on the microphone. And then you go into the lick of the song, which is very straightforward. I play it with downstrokes, 5 and 8. Oh, and you can probably tell I got a little bit of tremolo on the amp. That's all that's coming from the amp. Otherwise, I'm using a Boss delay, which is over here, just your standard Boss delay, and I got it set for the fastest setting. That sort of reverby thing. Not perfect, but it's close. Okay, back to the song. 5 and 8, 2 on each. Does that 8 times. That was just 4, but I'm going to switch over here to 3 and 6. Does that 4 times. Then it goes back to 5 and 8. And this is where it's handy to be tuned to E, E, B, E, in case I didn't mention it. Open and 3. And back to 5 and 8. Now here's where the verse starts. And it starts with the same lick. You do it 12 times and stop. So it's going to be a little boring if I do it 12 times and then count it with no vocals or anything. So I'll just let you know. You carry on. When you get to the end of the verse, you just stop. Right? Then there's a connecting run. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then you're back into verse 2. Another 12 times, I believe. Stop at the end of 12. Then you do the climb again, but you go to a different part of the song. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then 3 on the middle string. And then a chromatic one means 1 note at a time, starting from 8 on the high string. 8, 7, 6, 5. Over to 5 on the low string. 8, 7, 6, 5 on the middle string. 3. 8, 7, 6, 5 on the high string. 5. Now this last one, you do the same run again, but instead of going to 3, you go to open E, open low string, and play the riff. And then you play 5 and 8 4 times. Then, hopefully you're caught on to everything, because everything else here is just repeating. It does another verse, 12 of these. Stop. Do the climb. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then back to the last verse of the song, which would be verse 4. Then you stop again. You do the connecting run, and here it changes. You go up to 12 and do the same thing you did when you're over here on the middle string on 10. But faster. It just ends on the 0 there. The echo on there. And if you can't pick it as many times as I am, or you don't think it sounds like that, you can just pick it twice. Let the echo sort of take it. I wouldn't go with 3. I don't think that sounds good. It sounds like a triplet. That just doesn't sound right to me. So I like 4. Maybe you want to just do 2. However you do it, with a little echo on it and some reverb and a little bit of tremolo, it really is a cool song. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.